A company in Tokyo just did something that shouldn't be possible. They built an AI that beats Claude Fable 5 on hard coding and hard thinking tasks. And here's the part that's going to mess with your head. It beats Fable 5 without even using Fable 5. Read that again. The founder himself posted this on July 23rd. He said his team pushed the score up by 7.9 points and they did it without Fable 5 anywhere in the mix. So how does an AI beat a stronger AI it's not even using? Stick with me, because the answer to that question changes how you should be thinking about every AI tool you use right now. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Let me explain what this thing even is, because it's not what you think. Most AI you use is one brain. You send a message, one model answers you. That's it. Fugu is not that. Fugu is a team. When you give it a job, it picks the best models for that specific job, hands out roles, one model thinks, one model does the actual work, one model checks the work, and then it hands you back one. Clean answer. Think of it like a boss who hires the right worker for each task. You never meet the workers, you just get the finished results. And there's actually a fun fact behind the name. Sakana means fish in Japanese, and the whole idea is based on a school of fish, a bunch of fish moving like one big animal. That's exactly what Fugu is doing, a bunch of AIs moving as one. Why should you care about any of this? Because you don't have to sit there guessing which AI is the best one anymore. Fugu picks for you task by task. And when a better model drops next month, Fugu just starts using that one. You don't have to lift a finger. So what actually changed in this new version? Sakana added the newest frontier models into the pool, and that one change pushed the scores up across every single test they showed, up to 7.9 points higher than the last version. The biggest jumps were on two coding tests, one called Program Bench, one called Terminal Bench 2.1. Those tests check if an AI can really write code and run real tasks in a terminal, not just talk about code like it knows what it's doing. And here's the part that actually surprised me. The price stayed exactly the same. Usually when something gets better, it gets more expensive. Not here. Now, let's get into the headline claim, because this is the part everyone's talking about. Fable 5 is one of the strongest models out there right now, but Fugu doesn't even have it on the team. So, how does the team beat the star player who isn't even playing? It comes down to one simple idea: teamwork beats one genius on the hard stuff. A few good models working together, checking each other's work, catching each other's mistakes, that can actually beat one great model working completely alone. One AI writes something, another spots what's wrong with it, another one fixes it. What comes out the other end is better than any single one of them could have done by itself. Sakana calls this collective intelligence. Fancy name, simple meaning. A team of good AIs can beat one great. Now, let me be straight with you, because I'm not here to hype you up over nothing. Not everyone loves this thing. Some users are saying it's slow, and one guy literally posted that it thinks too slow for his liking. And honestly, he's got a point. When you're running a whole team of AIs instead of just one, there's more back and forth happening behind the scenes, so it takes longer. Some users are also saying it costs more to run, and that's just true too. Running a team costs more than running one model. About 75% of the reactions out there were positive, 25% were not. So it's good. It's just not magic, and you should know that going in. And one more honest thing I want to point out: these scores are coming from Sakana themselves right now, not from some outside neutral judge yet. So I'm taking the numbers with a grain of salt until independent testers get their hands on it, and you should too. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. So who is this actually built for? Let me make it real for you. This isn't for something like writing a quick email. This is built for the big, messy, multi-step jobs. Sakana says it's good for things like deep research, checking over science papers, and looking into security problems, the kind of work where getting it right matters way more than getting it fast. Here's a simple way to picture it. Say you're building a big landing page for a business, one that has to explain a lot and actually convert visitors into paying customers. A single AI might rush that and give you something average. Fugu sends it to a team instead. One drafts it, one reviews it, one polishes it up. What you get back is cleaner than what one model alone would have given you. And here's how this actually fits into your day to day. You don't want to be learning 10 different AI tools and trying to remember which one is best for what. You want one thing that just picks the best option for you automatically. Less choosing, more doing, that's the whole promise here. Here's the thing that actually matters more than the tool itself. Tools change every single week. A new best AI drops constantly. It feels like every month there's a new king. If you build your entire business around one single tool, you're stuck the second the next one comes out and makes yours look outdated. But if you build one system that any tool can plug into, you're never stuck. A new tool drops, you plug it in, and you move on with your day. That's the real lesson hiding underneath all of this. The tool is never the moat. The system around the tool is. Fugu-Ultra proves this point perfectly. It's not one model pretending to be the best, it's a system that uses whatever model is actually the best right now and swaps it out the moment something better shows up. So let's bring this all together. Fugu-Ultra-v1.1 is real and it's a team of AI sold to you as one. The new version jumped up to 7.9 points, mostly on coding tasks. It's claiming to beat Fable 5 without even using Fable 5 on the team. It's slower and it costs more to run. That's the honest trade you're making. And the scores still need outside testing before anyone should treat them as gospel truth. But the big idea here is the one thing I want you to actually walk away with. A team of good AIs can beat one great AI working alone. And the smart move for you isn't to chase every single new tool that drops. It's to build a one system that any new tool can slot straight into. That's Fugu-Ultra-v1.1, a team of 8 beating a giant it never even used. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.